How to upload photos in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to install the Google Photos app from your Play Store. Now we have to open the Google Photos app. We are going to know that how to upload photo in Google Photos. This method is similarly for Android as well as for iPhone. Now you have to see here at the bottom there is an option of sharing. Click on it and you have to select any of the folder in which you want to upload photo from your gallery in Google Photos. Like I am going to select this folder. You can see here there is an option of add photos. Click on it. Now your gallery of your Android or iPhone will appear. You have to select photo. Now click on the add which is present at the right top corner. You can see this photo will be added in your Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.